Beaver County man is being held for murder and more labor.
So today I decided to build a random setup using my old laptop I had lying around. The star of the show is the Lenovo B 570 featuring a Pentium B940 and a hefty 4GB of DDR3 RAM with stock Intel graphics. To be honest, it's seen better days. Applications take forever to load and it lasts about an hour off the charger, but at least it can run League. For the keyboard, I'm using the MK Disco mechanical keyboard I won a while back from a giveaway. The quality is top notch and it looks great too. It doesn't use true Cherry MX Blues, but the KBT are a great alternative in my opinion. For the mouse, I went with the Hurley F300. It's one of the best selling mice on Amazon and it's super cheap. And if I'm totally being honest with you guys, I stole it from my sister's setup, but I doubt she noticed. These are the Brainwaves HM2 headphones I reviewed in my last video, so if you have any questions about them, you should totally take a look. The speakers are these old Harman Kardon HP computer speakers. They're not the best sounding, but they work. And for lighting, there's just a simple RGB bulb. Well, that's just about all there is to say. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.
This knife has a straight edge on it, so it's very easy. And maybe, in our world here, there lives a happy little mountain.